This is Bonnie, Bonnie, Fifi. The kids named him. It's a he. He's about 4 months old. He has a right mid-shaft sagittal fracture of the right femur bone. I'm going to shave him from here back and prep him for surgery. Do a lateral incision starting at the greater trochanter and along the anterior edge of the shaft of the femur, and stop just before the what's called the stifle joint or knee joint. Okay, let me shave him and prep him. Also, I've got to put. Okay, he's all scrubbed up. I've got to rinse this a few more times with some 91% alcohol, but I'm almost ready to begin. He's over. I'm waking him up. I'm going to put on a pressure bandage. The pen, I had to back it out about, maybe about a quarter of an inch, almost a half an inch. But other than that, I'll make an incision right up here in about 3 weeks to remove that pen. All right. Okay, Bonnie, Fifi, the head shield's on. The patient is breathing very, 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 very comfortably. Yes, I did get him castrated. I threw that in as a bonus. The pressure bandage is very secure, comfortable. Okay, I'm going to put a little bitty cover over him. His red tongue. I always want to see a red tongue. I had to take this off. He wasn't going to have it. He wasn't going to have it. Hey, baby. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to go get him some more pain medicine, but he's waking up. All right, that's it.